and let's try to add one or two numbers so for you to see how the calculation is done. So I'm going to put a number. Let me type here student name. So if you want to type, you click into it, a double click, and if the text is going longer than what you have, the shortcut is to come here between this cell A and B. You're going to have those two black lines. You click down on there and move it like you're dragging it just to make room. All right, and that's it. See, once you put your cursor in between the two cells, it will bring out those two black icons, or those two black lines. You click down and drag it. That's how you make room for whatever it is you want to type in there. Okay, so student name, you go to cell B6. Sorry, this is cell A6, yes, and this is cell B6. Don't forget, a cell is a word, a row, and a column mate. So you go to cell B6, and then you can say, let's have the student's scores in maths, for example. You go to cell C6, student score in English. You go to cell D6, and let's say maybe economics. Okay, so let's stop there, and then you can come here and say sum. All right, or total, whichever one you want to use there. So just want you to see briefly how you add your student scores before it looks too big in your eyes. So let's say here you have a student name called John Ade, for example. You type it there. Scores had maybe 89. English, you have like 90. Very brilliant student. He had like 78. All right. Okay. So how do we add that together? Anytime you want to introduce a formula in the Google Sheets or your work spreadsheet, you go to your keyboard and type the equal to sign. All right, I hope you can see that equal to sign. Okay, equal to. So immediately you are telling the system that you want to introduce a formula. Okay, let's do that again. Type equal to on your keyboard, and you want to do sum. That's the meaning of the total, right? So you can put the letter S, and once you put the letter S, it assumes that yes, indeed, you're bringing in a formula, and you can see the sum there. Sum of a series of numbers and or cells. So you click there, and then it's ready for you to tell it where are the numbers that you want to add together. So you can see value 1, value 2, and there, all that and all that. So how do you do that? You now reference, you use the cell number. To use the cell number, so you put B7 is the cell number, B7, comma, follow the formula it's giving you here, right? Comma, what's the next cell? C7, right? C7, and the last one is D7. So comma and then D7. Okay, and that's it. You can complete the brackets, and you see that equal to, you type it in there, you put an S so that it will bring out for you the sum, and then you start to input the cell names, not the number, the cell names, B7, C7, D7, and there you go. You click on enter. Enter does the job for you. That's it. so you can see that it's going to make your work really easy.